Tony. Welcome to Sew Lounge. I created this channel for you, beginner sewist. Are you excited about learning to sew, but having a hard time figuring out the basic skills you need to get started? Well, you're in the right place, my friend. Sew Lounge has tutorials to teach you how to thread your sewing machine, to learn basic stitches, to read and understand commercial patterns, and so much more. It wasn't that long ago that I was a beginner too. And I remember the thrill of sitting at my sewing machine, pattern pieces in hand, ready to go. But I also remember the frustration of ripping more seams than I ever sewed. And even though I've been sewing off and on for many years, there's still some things that make me feel like a beginner. Buttonholes. I get you, because I've been there. And I'm here to hold your hand and walk you through the process of learning to sew. New videos are posted on Wednesdays and Fridays. Be sure to subscribe so you never miss a stitch.